久しぶりだな、麦わら。
麦わらのルフィ。
麦わらのルフィ。
Hindi nga ako si Luffy.
久しぶりだな、麦わら。
Ba't ba ang kulit nyo? Wala nga sa akin yung One Piece. Tara puntahan natin doon sa Straw Hat Pirates. Nga pala guys, kaya ako nandito kasi nangungulit tong mga dipunggol na to. Akala nasa akin yung One Piece. Nahanap yung sa akin yung One Piece. Tara tatanong lang natin dito sa may mga Straw Hat Pirate o sino mang piratang nandito sa may Doha. So, ayan yung pinakamalaking stadium dito sa may Doha, Qatar. Dito nga pala ginanap yung FIFA 2022. Sino nga ba itong nakasalubong ko? Uy! Sama ka na lang sa akin!
Isa ka lang?
Oo.
Hindi nga.
Oo nga.
Alis na ako eh.
Saan pupunta?
Uwi na.
Sama ka na lang sa akin. Wala ka namang gagawin eh.
Guys, may nakita ako nag-iisa. Nagsosolo. Ang hirap maging vlogger.
For the content talaga. Sama na lang sa akin. Ito yung building na to guys, oh. Pag nakita nyo ng personal to, kala nyo 3D lang eh. Kalula eh, oh. Tara, andito daw yung building na pupuntahan ko. Putang ina guys, di ko makita kung nasan yung building. Hayop na yan, walang nakakaalam dito. So habang tayo naliligaw, picturean muna natin tong magandang lugar na to. Putang ina, sabi ni ate napakalayo daw nung nilagpasan ko. So andun pa raw siya sa kabila. Doon 7 minutes pa raw ang lakad mula dito. Dito lang pala to, hayop na yun. Lumagpas pa ako sa kabila. Ayan o, Geekdom. Luffy, take a picture. So guys, dito na tayo sa may Geekdom. Dito may sa may Lusail. So pwede nyo yung picturean. Yan mga yan. So guys, ang aangas ng mga ano nila dito, binibenta rin pala nila to. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung presyo. Makikita mo itong si Ace tsaka si Tech 3,200 real. Si Zoro 4,600. Napakaangas oh. Doflamingo. Kung may bibilin man ako dito sa mga to, ang gusto ko eto, si Doflamingo. Kung gusto nyo nga palang bumili ng mga laruan, meron din dito. Ayan, i-scan nyo lang yung QR code. Pwede kayo makabili dyan. Si Luffy. Luffy! gusto nyo pumunta dito sa may Geek Dome, so search nyo lang sa may Instagram, Geek Dome. Makikita nyo kung ano mga event nila dito. So etong lugar na to is nasa Lusail. Dito lang yan sa may gilid ng Cherry Restaurant. Para hindi kayo maligaw dito lang sa likod ng tram station. Kung makita nyo o kung ma-upload ko man tong video na to, wala na sigurong One Piece event dito. Bali, ang gagawin ko na lang is lalagay ko na lang sa description yung Instagram at saka Facebook kung meron man sila. Pero mostly nasa Instagram sila So guys, upo na lang muna tayo dito sa may gilid kasi hintay natin yung kasunod na event. Medyo malakas na rin yung haki ng isang Arabo. Hindi natin kaya yung haki ng isang Arabo kaya dito lang tayo sa gilid. Medyo malakas na rin nata yung haki ko
50 lang po yan.
Si Zoro pala nagtatatalo. Pilipino pala si Zoro. Yan, si Yusuf. Dapat natin kung matindi pa talaga mag-sniper. So magtataray pa si Daddy Yusuf. Kailangan daw niyang patamain doon.
Wallahi, almost got it.
Adapt niya yung karakter ni Yusuf meron pala ditong patanungan. So tapos makakuha ka ng dice para makapunta ka sa dulo. Pwede mo turuan niya? Pwedeng turuan? Malapit na siya sa finish
Another 5!
Another 5. Dalawa na lang.
Okay.
May tanong.
Here's the character and the song that they're singing. It's AI.
Okay.
So we have all
So
these.
AI
Yeah, it's
we'll
AI.
choose the
Ano ang sa inyo?
easiest one.
Ang galing!
Keep it hard, keep it hard.
Give it hard.
Yeah, she has 3 lives still.
Oh my goodness.
She's very
Okay.
good.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
May kantang papahula sa kanya.
What's the answer?
Nami.
You said what? To the camera.
Nami.
Nami. She said Nami and the correct answer is Nami.
Galing.
Okay.
Another one.
2! We got the winner!
Finish. Videohan natin picturean natin yung babaeng Luffy.
Yeah, boy.
Excuse me, can I take a picture?
Yes, of course.
So next event, meron silang question and answer portion. Ate, maganda yung hawak niya, te. Sugutin mo na. Te, scan mo na. Andiyan na yung pangalan mo? Ay, ikaw yung Rose? Sige, ikaw yung Rose. Go lan. Mali agad, te. Ano sagot, te?
Miss All Sunday.
Sino na uuna? Pang 21 ka na, te? Ay na talaga, nag-reformat yung card. Hayop na yan. Ta-transfer ako ng file biglang nag-corrupt. Ay, hindi na makita. Bakit? Tayo na talaga. Ayun ang problema kapag content creator, vloggers, tapos tinatransfer mo yung file sa laptop mo para i-edit. tapos biglang magkukurap, tapos hindi na siya mabasa. Hindi ako papayag na nawala yung ating recording nung nakaraan. Let's go!
Let's go, guys. Catch you later. You feel me?
I want to wear this one to reuse, but the color is changed already.
Once I go to vacation,
I will ask them. Can I use this one again? Three? Can I use my old one?
You didn't take it off since yesterday?
No, it was before yesterday, the first day.
Oh, this is the first day.
Yeah. Okay, I have two now. It's okay. Remembrance. So, andito ulit tayo, guys. Hanapin ko na sila, Soro. Hanapin ko na sila para magpa-picture. Nawala yung camera ko eh. Nawala yung ano ko eh. Kaya kailangan natin magpa-picture ulit sa kanila, no? Soro is what? Soro is what? Very hungry? Hungry? Coco, can you buy something for me?
Nah.
Why? Hey, there's a 50% discount, oh. See? Coco, buy for me something. At least this thing, no? Like this.
Do you think am I your dad?
Sige, no? What do you want, my friend? You want hat? Can I buy this one? We will buy. This one is not selling, my friend. I will ask her. You want? Madam, are you selling that one?
The hat?
Yeah? Why? Sell it to me.
Sorry.
Please.
Oh, that's for us. Never. Never.
Please. Thank you. Oh, sorry. I will borrow hat for you.
No. I don't want.
Supposed to be hat.
I'm too short.
You want Lupi only?
Take the nice one again, huh? Because
Take Coco.
4,600.
3,800, my friend. You want to buy that 4,200?
And 4,200.
You can buy one plane ticket, no?
Oh, the how much?
This 4,600. That one,
The big one.
the big one? I don't know. Maybe 5,000. You want to buy? See?
You 5,000.
I told you, it's 5,000. Oh, medyo malakas na yung haki ni Lupi, ah. Let's go?
Let's go.
We need to ask them to give you hat, no? Why?
they give us a hat.
What do you want, my friend?
Like a reels. I will just make a normal reels.
Ah, okay. So
Like-
walk now.
I'm walking.
Ang pinaggagawa nitong dalawang to? Human drone pa nga isa. Human drone. So Coco,
Yep.
for example, you are making content now. So what is your intro? Start.
I got no idea.
Hi guys.
Okay, what's up,
Hey.
guys? Welcome to
What's
my
up?
channel.
And then,
I don't know.
okay,
I
next.
look handsome today.
Speak, my friend.
Speak what?
Talk.
Talk
You
what?
need to keep on speaking.
Yeah, you keep talking, my friend. You are content creator.
Okay. So welcome to Crown Plaza Doan.
Tanga.
You prefer smoking?
Exceptionally.
Yeah,
Two pieces of laundry.
you prefer smoking on a smoking room?
Putang inang content creator. Tanga. Okay, example Coco, this is your content. You're going to walk in this Lusail, which is like modern.
Yes, I'm going
I'm
here
not going
in
to
the
do a modern.
Lusail. This
Yeah.
will try to be
become a content
The
creator.
content
right?
creator, I mean, not in front of the camera, behind the camera.
How come?
Which is, I want to create.
This
the
is videographer you are telling about.
Yeah. There is
It's not
also,
content
like,
creator at all.
videographer and the creating.
I don't know. This Coco is chutia.
It's painting here.
Coco,
Here.
Papa John's or McDonald's?
No.
Okay. Eh? One more. My friend eat, my friend. Too much taking photo. See, this guy is eating. Hungry. Hungry?
Yeah, of course.
I'm hungry, man.
Food is important.
It smells so bad.
What Lupi did?
It smells so bad.
That is haki, no? It means haki, the power.
Yeah, the power, right?
What
And
he
then-
did? What he did?
He did. I was like, I'm sure that he did. I was like below of his arm. I was like,
Very smelly.
smells so strong. But Zoro, why they're using that Zoro? Zoro should
Very
be
thin.
handsome. Very thin.
Maybe he is on diet.
I just bought
Buy the hat. The hat is here. See? Buy it. What is the difference of men? One buying something here. When you see something
So for
like
the man,
this,
if they enter to the store, they will go direct what they want.
directly like Zoom. But the lady,
What the lady?
she will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and it will take 1 hour.
And of they will not buy nothing. They will not buy anything.
Let's see. She's doing the roaming around now.
They
We'll
buy
ask her.
nothing. They buy nothing.
They buy nothing, yeah? We will ask her if she bought something, yeah?
They will just touch, they will check the price, and they will put it back.
Let's see. No, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming. She's coming.
See, I told you.
What did you buy?
nothing. It's not there. The one that I want.
Told you.
Ladies.
Woman.
Yeah, take this one. Take
Yeah,
this, take
stand
the
there.
picture.
Fat and
What is that?
fat and same. This is the definition of
She's
the,
not Chinese Malay, no?
but she's fat.
Ah, she's fat. Okay, let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Like this? Why this one looks like? How is it?
No, I
Good,
don't
no?
like it. No.
There's no good at all? Even
No.
one?
No, nothing is there.
Nothing is there? Delete it then. Yeah, that one is good.
Okay.
You know why she invited you here?
I know.
What?
This is the reason.
You're a content creator, no?
I don't want.
So yun na guys, pauwi na ako. Yun lang yung ganap.
Salamat!
Salamat. So
Salamat! Salamat po!
Thank you so much, guys.
So wait, my friend. So si Coco na ang mag-outro sa akin. Okay, outro, my friend. Outro. Outro.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you!
And like I'm sa
Like bye bye.
like and subscribe.
Like,
Like.
and
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
Like,
Subscribe. Like.
and
And
subscribe.
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 Like and subscribe.
one more.
Subscribe.
The full one. The outro.
Like and subscribe, please,
No,
guys.
the outro.
Catch you
Like,
later.
comment.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you later. Subscribe.